So let us see what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells about the Jewish people in Quran. The sons of Israel are mentioned 40 times in the Quran. According to the Quran, the sons of Israel were indeed selected from all the nations that existed at the time and greatly favored by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Many prophets were sent amongst them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says about the sons of Israel, and we certainly chose them by knowledge over the worlds. However, they were ungrateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and rejected the message that He conveyed through His prophets. They have been cursed and experienced the wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Surah Al-Isra, there are very powerful verses about the people of Israel. In this surah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that the children of Israel will have to preach the power that they will abuse. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that an army will come against you. They have great military. They are going to destroy all the way to your houses. And this is a promise that indeed took place. So that means it has already taken place in the past. So the people of Israel were once very strong and they had been defeated. We don't know when it was before the time of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, then we gave you back a new chance and we caused you to have a victory over your enemies. We gave you blessings and it is totally true. Israel is indeed a nation. They have a civilization wealth, great infrastructures, a solid army, great power, and we made you powerful in numbers. So Israel became a mighty nation. So the next verses of Surah Al-Isra are, when the second and final time of powers comes, we will send another group of people and they will cause your faces to become sour. They shall enter the Masjid Al-Aqsa as the previous time, and they will destroy whatever you have built. When you see what's happening in Palestine right now and read these verses, many questions come to mind. When is this going to happen? Is it related to what's happening today? Will it happen in a week or in a century or in a very distant future? So my beautiful people, only Allah the Almighty has the answer. One thing is for sure, when it does happen, everything after will happen very fast. As we are Muslims, as a human being, we just have to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all the innocent victims who are suffering a lot.